Hey, welcome to the Impact Podcast with Taiwo Balogun, Wealth Secret, how to make your money work for you just like the rich. That is the topic that we are looking at today. And I believe that a lot of people are asking the questions of how can my money work for me? And what are the secrets to wealth creation? This is something that we need to be very, very informed about. And that is the purpose of this video. Yes, we are looking at wealth secrets, how to make your money work for you like the rich. Do you know that as of 2023, there are over 3,000 billionaires across the world? Absolutely. Yes. And have you ever wondered what makes their perspective on money so different from every other person? That is one of the reasons why I am bringing up this topic before you, because we all have to know the secret of wealth creation. I mean, wealth that can be transferred even to the next generation. The number one secret that I want us to look at today is start a business with the mindset of selling shares. You think it is difficult? It is not. See, you have to have the right mindset before you start a business. Most business owners in Africa don't have the mindset of scaling their business to selling shares. And if you want to build wealth and you want your money to work for you just like the rich, you must have that mindset. Even if you have started a business or you are about to start the business, have the mindset of, starting the business by scaling it to a level that you can sell shares. Yes, you might not go to the New York Stock Exchange or Nigerian Stock Exchange, or South Africa Stock Exchange for a start, but you can start selling shares to your friends and your family members. From there, you begin to look at, looking at the bigger picture and say, oh, we want to scale this business to a level that we can go to the Nigerian Stock Exchange. We can be listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Did you get that? So you understand. So what that will do for you is that it will help you to scale your business fast, because a lot of rich people start their business small and they sell some of their shares to others. And if you go and Google it, look at George Soros, look at Warren Buffett. Even Bill Gates did not have 100% of his company shares. Most of them have 15%, 20%, 40%. Some of them did not even have up to 50% of the shares. You know why? This way, you get money to grow your business even bigger. One thing that shares will do for you is that you have money to grow your business even bigger. And the rich don't have to do all the work themselves. They sell shares, and invest in people that can run the business for them. Yes, not that you won't run the business yourself. You run the business, but you cannot be jack of all trade at a point. At startup stage, you can be jack of all trade of your business. But by the time you scale, or you're thinking of scaling, you need to have structure in place. Have structure of those that will market, those that will be the admin, those that will be in charge of their finance, those that will be in charge of operations. This is how these things work. You want to build wealth? The secret number one is start a business with the mindset of selling shares. So let's go to number two. The number two is learn to use other people's money. Learn to do what? Learn to use other people's money. The rich often use other people's money to make more money for themselves. This doesn't mean borrowing money without paying it back. No, instead, it's about building good relationships, and partnerships. I am an advocate of strategic and result-oriented collaboration. I believe in collaboration. So think of how to use other people's money productively, profitably, and wisely. Don't forget these keywords. It will help your business. It will help you to build wealth in the long run, build relationships, increase your partnership base and also make money work for you. Because when you have full of funds to do business, definitely everybody wins. Everybody wins. So number 2 secret to wealth creation and how your money can work for you is learn to use other people's money wisely, productively, and profitably. Let's go to number 3. The number 3 secret to wealth creation is, as you are making money from your business, buy real estate assets. As you are managing other people's money using OPM, selling shares, building your business, growing your business, scaling your business, don't forget, begin to build investment portfolios. And one of the portfolios that you need to build as a business owner is build real estate assets. Once your business starts growing, don't forget that. Immediately you start making money, begin to think of that. Because see, one of the secrets of the rich is they often invest in real estate. Estate like houses, buildings or land assets. Real estate can become a place that you make money. Yes, there's tendency of losing money because the real estate market is huge and it has a lot of ups and downs. So you need to learn the game. Don't forget, learn the game. So let's go to number 4 secret. Number 4 wealth secret is make money during crisis. Understand that the rich are always looking for ways and opportunities to make money during crisis. You may want to think that, does this sound well? Yeah, it does. You see, the rich sees crisis like economic meltdown, famine, recession as opportunities. Absolutely. Also, you need to see crisis like a Black Friday sale. Yeah, a Black Friday sale where everything is cheaper than usual. And what do you do during Black Friday? You buy things at lower prices. When crisis is over, then the value of those things that you've bought will definitely goes up. And when that happens, you make a lot of money. So remember, sometimes what looks like a bad situation can actually be a good one if you are prepared and positioned. You need to learn that. And that's one thing I learned from Coach John Maxwell. He says preparation has to be in place before opportunity comes. So prepare and also learn to position yourself so that when the opportunity shows up, you are there. And that is one of the ways how your money can work for you, just like the rich. So let's look at the next one, which is number 5. You need to learn to surround yourself with coaches and mentors like Taiwo Balogun. Yes, surround yourself with good coaches and mentors. This is one of the things that rich people do. They know they can't do all things. They don't have the answers to all things. And that is why they surround themselves with coaches and mentors, people who have experience in business, in finance, in investment, in important areas that they don't have much strength in. Imagine having a coach to help you become better at a sport. What would you be? Gradually, you become an expert in that sport. So also, a business coach does the same thing. A business coach helps you to make a better decision or make better decisions with your money. And the more you learn from others, the smarter you become when it comes to money decision making. This is something that you have to think about. And don't just think about it. Make a step right now. Take actionable step to begin to surround yourself with coaches and mentors that can help you in your business, in finances, in investment, in your marital journey. You need a coach. You need a mentor. You need the right coaches and the right mentor so that you can build generational wealth and make your money work for you. Did you get that? Yes, if you are getting value from this content, I'd like you to drop a comment in the comment section. And if you have any question that you want me to attend to, I will be glad to do that. Just drop it in the comment section and I personally will reply your question. I will reply your question. That's a promise from me. Take it. So let's look at the number 6 secret of wealth creation, and that is, as you grow your business, as you surround yourself with coaches, as you manage other people's money, as you sell shares and as you do that, learn to invest in other businesses. Just before I recorded this episode of this podcast, I had a session with an AI startup, and this wonderful CEO was sharing a solution with me. Fantastic solution. Fantastic one by African for Africans. And I was like, wow, this is good. So we began to look at it, digest it, experiment, and I gave my professional advice. And looking at that solution is something I would like to be part of. So as you grow your business, begin to see how you can invest in other businesses, how you can invest in other businesses. Look for businesses that are doing well and invest in such. It might be agriculture, fintech, education, say something, even health, things that that this can solve people's problem and then make money for you and others. Then look for opportunity to invest in it. There are solutions coming up every day that you can be part of. Always learn to invest in other businesses. It's like planting different types of seeds in a garden. If you plant tomatoes and maize, guess what? You will get both tomatoes and maize. That is how investing in other people's business is. Investing in other people's business means you are not putting all your eggs in one basket. And that's a smart move for a smart business owner. Did you get that? So let me give you one more bonus secret, and that is have a retirement plan. Please, as you grow your business, you are also growing in age. And one thing about life is death is inevitable. It is something that we cannot negotiate. When it is time to leave this side of eternity, we would definitely leave. So why not plan for your retirement age? You see, starting a retirement plan early is even better. Like when you are around 40 years of age or even earlier. But don't wait until you are close to retiring before you start thinking of retirement plan. I used to tell people, especially civil servants, a lot of civil servants used to think, oh, I still have time. And when it is about few years to their retirement is when they will now be going to seminars, trainings, and learning about business. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. And you see a lot of civil servants and retirees don't know how to manage business because this is what they have not been doing for the past 30 years or 25 years in service. But if you have like 10 years to your retirement from public service, begin to think of how you can set up a retirement plan. It could be through life insurance that has cash value. Yes, they do that in Nigeria, they do that in US, and you just invest in that and give yourself till you die, you'll be getting some proceeds from that policy, and you can also leave something for your family, especially your wife and your children, or your husband and your children, in case anything happens. But however, think of it as building a nest egg, something that will keep you warm and comfortable when you are older and ready to rest. One of the secrets of the rich is they don't joke with life insurance. Let us begin to look at that. Don't think that most of these insurance companies wants to part with your money or they want to abscond with your money. When you are properly educated about life insurance, you will see that it is something you should do as an entrepreneur, as a business owner, or as an investor. So on this note, remember that you survive by earning, but you get rich by owning. You survive by earning, you get rich by owning something that is yours. Owning a business, investing in real estate, and using other people's money wisely and learning from mentors are all keys to making your money work for you. These are the secret of the rich, and you can also use them to build generational wealth for yourself and your family. So what next? Start putting all this secret into practice from today, one step at a time. You can begin to write down, or do your research. How do I start a business with the mindset of selling shares? How do I get other people's money? How do I manage other people's money wisely? How can I begin to build real estate asset portfolio? How can I surround myself with coaches and mentors? How can I have a retirement plan? And by the time you can answer all these questions, take a step at a time, and you'll see that you are on your way to building generational wealth. So if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend. Let us grow wealth together. Share this video with a friend or your family member. Let them know that yes, it is possible to make their money work for them just like the rich. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.